Moon is the nearest neighbor of Earth. The moon takes nearly 29 days to take complete circle around Earth. And the shape of the moon changing during a month. The different shape of the moon as seen from the earth are the phases of moon. There are eight phases of moon. Those are full moon, waxing gibbous, waning gibbous, waning crescent, waxing crescent, and new moon.
Yes, explain it loudly.
The moon takes nearly 29 days to take complete circle around Earth. We can see the shape of moon changing during a month. The different shape of moon as seen from the Earth are the phases of moon.
Good. Good, good. So what is this they have made, sir? Okay, you can turn on the light. You can just check, sir. Did you turn on the light? So you can see the moon they made.
Oh, really?
Yeah, inside.
Oh, super.
So how the moon looks first quarter.
Oh, this is that's interesting.